Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to fold a wrap, step by step. Spread the filling. Pile a small amount of filling, less than you think you need. Overfilling a wrap is the kiss of death, in a line, leaving more than half of the tortilla free on the top and a couple inches free on each side. Fold in the sides. Bring up the bottom flap, then continue to roll.
Take our lead.
Start with a big tortilla. The bigger the tortilla, the easier making a tight wrap will be. Warm the tortilla. A warm tortilla makes for a nicer tasting burrito, but it also makes the tortilla more pliable and easier to wrap. Warm the tortilla for about 10 seconds on each side in a hot skillet. Don't let it get crispy.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In general, wraps usually have less fiber and more carbs, saturated fat and sodium than bread, but they can still be a healthy option for lunch. You see, if you're loading your lunch with lean protein and lots of veggies, either option is a good choice.
Take our lead.
How to wrap a burrito. Add fillings to the center of the wrap. Add a heaped serving spoon of fillings like cooked meats, beans and Mexican rice. Add some toppings. Fold in the two ends over the filling. Fold in the top and bottom to completely close in the fillings. Use foil to wrap the burrito tightly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.